if you're experiencing an installation loop on your Xbox Series X. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps carefully to get your console back to normal. Step 1. Power cycle your console. Turn off your Xbox Series X by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts down completely. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console and wait for at least 10 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Go to Settings, Network Settings, and test your network connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power off your console and unplug it. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve temporary software glitches. Step 4. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Updates, and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary, as updates can fix bugs that cause installation loops. Step 5. Reset your console. If the issue persists, consider resetting your console. Go to Settings, System, Console, and for Reset Console. You can choose to keep your games and apps or remove everything. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If these steps do not resolve the installation loop, you may need to contact Xbox support for further assistance.